Here we have Dayton Bartow, the new Star Wars kid. Show us what you got.
Okay. Here's C-3PO. He has a Darth Vader head with Darth Vader helmet. And
Darth 3PO?
yes, Darth 3PO, thank you, Dad. And I made this lightsaber for Darth 3PO. And then we have Obi-Wan with a stormtrooper gun. Clone trooper with a lightsaber.
What are these? What's that?
A speeder.
Luke's?
Yes, Luke's speeder.
What is that?
What? This?
Mm-hmm.
Darth Vader ship.
Destroyer?
Destroyer, yeah.
I don't know. What else you got? Captain Rex?
What?
Is that Captain Rex?
No, that's Commander Cody.
Who's that? Both of them?
Well, this is not Commander Cody. This is just Cody. And first we go up with your destroyer now. You can fly really slow up into the air.
That's a Imperial starship, right?
Yeah, Imperial starship. Lego jetpack. And stormtrooper helmet.
Is that it?
Nope, not it. My brother has been messing with my Legos and he...
Alright, buddy.
What?
Say goodbye.
Bye.
That's it for today's Lego Star Wars Kid. See you next time.
Bye.